Once arriving on the home page, click the Sign In button in the upper right-hand corner. If you don't have a myASE account, scroll to the bottom of the Sign In page and click the blue link to create one. Begin the sign-up process by typing your first name and last name into the fields. Enter your date of birth by first selecting your birth year, then selecting the month and day from the calendar overlay. Once complete, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and click Next. Step 2 requires some additional personal information to configure your profile. Please complete all required fields and use the drop-downs to select your city, state, and country. After entering your email, create and confirm your password, and select a security question and secret answer for account recovery purposes. Click Next to move on to the final step, or use the alternate navigation to return to the previous screen. After selecting your gender and ethnicity, it is time to locate your employer. Click the green Find Employer button and enter the company name, city, state or zip code to look up the company account, then click Go. Review the list of results, and please note there may be multiple pages of entries. Once you locate your employer, click the green Select button next to the entry. Finally, select your education level from the drop-down to complete your profile, and click Submit. Congratulations! You are now viewing your personal myASE dashboard.